Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Unihertz has officially launched the 8849 Tank 2 Pro, a rugged smartphone that builds upon the capabilities of its predecessor. The new device boasts a larger 23,800 mAh battery like the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro, faster 120-watt charging, a 120Hz display, updated Android 14 operating system, and a different main camera and laser projector. First of all, let's talk about the display and protection. The Tank 2 Pro features a 6.79-inch in-cell IPS display with a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, protected by 1.1mm thick Youji Glass. The display now offers a 120Hz refresh rate. In terms of performance and storage, however, the Tank 2 Pro will now be powered by the same Helio G99 chipset as its predecessor, but they downgraded the storage option to 8GB of RAM, down from initial 12GB, and a 256GB of built-in storage, which is expandable via a microSD card slot. As for the cameras, they have also received upgrades. The Tank 2 Pro now features a 100-megapixel main camera, a 64-megapixel night vision camera as the secondary camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera as the third camera. However, the front camera remains the same, featuring a 32-megapixel Samsung sensor. The laser projector on the Tank 2 also received an upgrade, or maybe it's a downgrade depending on your usage. The Tank 2 Pro now has a different laser projector with a lower resolution of 854 by 480 pixels but offers higher brightness of 100 lumens and a 120Hz refresh rate. It also features adjustable focus and a cooling fan, similar to the Tank 3. Other features of the device includes side-mounted fingerprint sensor, headphone jack, USB Type-C port, IR blaster, Wi-Fi 5, NFC, and Bluetooth 5.3. I will be doing full comparison of this newly upgraded version to its predecessors in the upcoming videos to see how they are different. So watch out for that. What do you think about this new phone by Unihertz? I would love to read your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other videos.